Whenever you're ready.
Yes.
Okay, so one thing that football sports has sorted you, just taught you.
Honestly, everything that I am today is because of sports, because of football. It's built my character, it's built my mental attitude, the way I see problems, the way I approach problems in life. That's something that I've learned from sport. Because in football, and especially when you're playing a match, if by any chance you've made a mistake or you've conceded a goal, you don't really have the time to think about कि क्यों हो गया, कैसे हो गया, अब क्या करूँ. Your immediate thought goes to, okay, what's the next step, how can I make it better, what's the solution, why did that happen, and how can I make sure that that doesn't happen again. So your immediate thought is on solutions, and of course that is something that I take in my real life as well. And apart from that, obviously pursuing the sports in India for a girl is not an easy option. Every step of the way you have to answer a lot of questions, you have to justify the path that you've chosen, justify the dream that you have, because obviously it's not a regular dream or regular path that you would pursue. So you're constantly facing those battles, challenges, even though they're virtual, मतलब ऐसे सामने सामने नहीं दिख रहे, but back of your mind you're always thinking कि I have to prove myself, I have to prove my decision, and that builds a kind of resilience in you. कि no matter what happens outside, I am going to pursue my dream, my passion, and I'll figure out a solution no matter what the world says, or the close ones say. This is my life and my choices. So I would rather live my life on my terms. So that.
Very beginning, you fought for your place, and you just spoke about fighting for that place for every woman. Why do you think every sports women should speak about this?
Because I feel every woman in India who's pursuing a path in sports has a very unique journey. I have a lot of respect for every woman, no matter what level they've achieved, because it's not an easy journey for any of us. We have to constantly face questions and justify our decisions, our dreams, our the passion that we want to pursue. You have to justify it every step of the way, even to your own families, your parents, your close ones, and that takes a toll. It is really taxing mentally. So when women athletes who've achieved at a certain level, they share about their journey, it influences the parents, because ultimately in our society they are the ones who take a decision for the daughter especially. So they influence their perspective, the parents' perspective. It helps change the narrative in their mind. I think that is extremely important. When we share it, also gives young athletes, young women and men, a little bit of confidence कि उन्होंने किया है, उनके लिए भी कितना challenging था, उनके लिए भी कितना difficult था, वो कर सकते हैं तो मैं भी कर सकता हूँ. और ये journey उनके लिए भी आसान नहीं थी. Even when they've made it to the top, they had to start somewhere at the bottom. जब कोई नहीं होता साथ में, कोई ब्रांड्स नहीं होते, कोई स्पॉन्सर्स नहीं होते, कोई ज़्यादा सपोर्ट नहीं होता, दे स्टार्ट फ्रॉम देयर. सो एनीबडी कैन स्टार्ट, एंड दैट गिव्स देम सॉर्ट ऑफ एक encouragement कि मैं भी कर सकता हूँ, वो वाली फीलिंग. And like I said, it also changes hopefully the perspective कि it's not always about making it to the top and making it to the elite level. It's about the values, the things that you learn along the way in the journey. जो आप constant failures, constant criticism से आप जो सीखते हो, आप जो resilience build होती है, जो character build होता है कि no matter what the world says around you, I will do something that I want to do. And that is what we need: more strong-headed women, especially in India, who believe in themselves, who have a strong opinion, who are not afraid to voice their opinion, and not afraid to take up space in any room they walk in.
You excel in the path of football. Do you think India is back lagging somewhere in the sports, in the football sports, and concentrating only on other sports like cricket?
I think we can be a lot better than where we are right now. But it's not that we are completely ignored. This is the first time that all three age groups, our senior team, under 20 team, and the under 17 women's team, all three women's team have qualified for the Asia Cup. under 17 team recently made it to the quarterfinals of the Asia Cup, which is the first time in the history, and they were one step away from qualifying for the World Cup. So the problem is that there's not enough coverage, there's not enough awareness about it, not enough people are talking about it and giving them credit for doing what they've done. And this is despite all the challenges in the system, in the environment around them, that they don't really have the best environment to flourish as footballers, women footballers. And it's not a professional sport that you're earning a lot of money. You're still finding it difficult to make your ends meet. So despite all of these challenges, the women's team is doing so well. They were so close to making it to the World Cup. So I think the change is, of course, you need better structures, you need better all of that, but also I feel brands and marketing ke taraf se also there needs to be more limelight given to them, more encouragement, because at the end of the day, that's what players look for. We are playing for the country, we are playing for the entire nation. We expect a little bit of support and encouragement from our nation.
Mhm. Uh, Playing for the Indian grounds and then on the global grounds, how is both the grounds different from your perspective?
I mean, very different. We've had some incredible experiences. I've had some incredible experiences as a playing in my playing career in India, where we played a SAF final in Shillong. It was a packed stadium. Never expected that. The kind of support that we had there. Also in Kolhapur, we played once. It was a huge stadium. It was packed, and the kind of support and the kind of fans that were there, it was just unbelievable. I never imagined we could have something like that for women's football in India. So there are pockets where there are, huge fan bases and huge supporters or fans of football, but it's just about taking it across the country and giving them the right platforms and right coverage and importance that they deserve.
My final question. What is She Kick Foundation doing in the time?
So there are multiple things. So from my experience in the UK, when I played for West Ham, and from my studies, I did my MSc Sports Management from Loughborough University. So from my time in the UK, what I realized was, leagues are very important. Regular competitions are very, very important for a player to grow. I think that's where my maximum growth happened, because I was playing competitive matches every week, training twice a week as well, twice or thrice a week. So that's where, when you play matches, that's where you really improve. So we started with She Kicks Football League. We are in the second season this year. We are doing it across 4 cities. And I think that was something that was missing, the platform to be competitive, to really you've been training, but where do you test yourself? Unless you play in competitive environment, you'll never be able to really realize what you want to improve on and what you can do better. So that was one thing. But apart from that, I have a club also registered in Delhi. So we're trying to make an ecosystem, a structure where we want to get as many girls to start playing football, and from there we scout the talent, give them a pathway for professional development. So there is the club set up where they can pursue football as a profession. And of course, like I said, the idea is to get more girls to play sport, because what this sport can do for a woman, I feel nothing else can do. And we want strong leaders. We want strong-headed women as leaders of tomorrow who will bring that change. So that's what we are hoping to do, to create that ecosystem of making not just the top players, but also strong leaders of tomorrow.
Thank you.
And the She Kicks initiative is part of the Aditi Chauhan Foundation. So we hope that we get more support from brands and from companies to get our dream, to make our dream possible.
So far, have you received any?
Very few. It's extremely difficult to get sponsors, and that is something that is a constant challenge for us to kind of justify, because unfortunately we can't give a quick ROI. We don't have that. Unless the brands are aligned with the values and the long-term approach. So we're looking for those kind of partners that align there, and hopefully we can contribute in bringing women's football to the place that truly deserves, which is at the top.
Definitely. All the best. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.